Jeez, kid.
Trapping wolves is illegal.
You live around here?
Wolves!
Get behind me, kid.
His pop, when he was killed overseas, left a big hole here.
I'm sorry.
We are going to make billions. Do whatever it takes to get these people off their land.
This is our final offer. It's generous.
This land goes to my grandson.
Corporate tyranny is still tyranny.
This guy might be a problem.
Go check him out.
Boo.
Thank God.
You can thank God all you like. Ain't the fella you're about to meet.
He's an old school Green Beret with advanced military training.
It won't be a fight. It'll be a massacre.
We're done messing around. Burn the place down. I'm just not gonna let anyone come into my town and burn down our homes and kill my friends.
Listen carefully. You made the mistake of thinking you're safe behind money and guns.
But this land doesn't belong to you.
I've been paid to end wars and dismantle regimes. I'm the man they send to erase problems. And tonight, you're the problem.
God will judge our enemies. I'm out! I'll just arrange a meeting. Boom.